today I want to talk about why you probably haven't been making money in Forex, probably ever. All of those people that you see on YouTube talking about the Forex lifestyle, you know who they are. They've never made the money in Forex. If that's your case, you're never going to be able to predict the markets in the short term. Is that if you've been trading Forex for years and you've been lying to yourself and you've been telling yourself that I'm making money when in reality, you're not. See, I think a lot of people lie to themselves about their success. They say to themselves, you know, they're crushing it and they're making all of this money. And the reality is they're not. So a couple days ago, I had a client call and the client said, hey, Patrick, I'm making so much money in Forex, really profitable. I just want to make some more money outside of Forex. We were just having this Zoom call and something didn't add up to me. You're really profitable, but you want to make more money. So I'm like, cool, let's pop open your broker statement so we can look exactly at what's going on and see if there's something that I can look at to potentially scale this. They weren't able to. They lied to themselves. They lied to me. And today I want to talk about why you probably haven't been making money in Forex, probably ever. Maybe you've lied to yourself, maybe you've lied to the community, maybe you've lied to your coach, maybe you've lied to your spouse or your friend. This is something that I think is really important, that when you're doing things of this nature, you're honest with yourself, because you're not going to go into your doctor and tell him, hey, yeah, I recently had a blood panel and it's perfect. He's going to say, show me the blood panel. And if you are not able to show him the blood panel, or you're not able to do a blood panel, he's not going to believe you. And it's probably untrue. See, I think a lot of people lie to themselves about their success. They say to themselves that, you know, they're crushing it and they're making all of this money. And the reality is they're not. And the reason that they tell themselves that they are is so that they don't have to answer the calls of their spouse, their parents, their brother, their sister, their colleagues, their friends. And so I'm here today to tell you that if you're not making money, honestly, you have to look at yourself and you have to say, what is going wrong? And I actually created a list of things, of the reasons why you're not making money in Forex, but also the now what. What should we go from here? What should we do from here at this point in time? So the first biggest flaw that I see with traders is in Forex, it allows us to be in and out of the market so quickly, specifically with these unregulated brokers with 1 to 200, 500, or 1,000 leverage that are hocus pocus fugazi brokers that you'll never be able to pull your money out of. But the first thing that I notice is that a lot of these traders are trying to predict extremely short-term price movements. We're talking price movements that happen in 60 seconds, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes. There's really nobody that I've ever seen able to do this at a high level that wasn't a full-time professional in the markets. And for a lot of you guys listening to this, the problem is you're not a full-time professional in the markets. You have a day job, you have a family, you're able to get on the charts maybe once a day, maybe for a couple of hours at the most. If that's your case, you're never going to be able to predict the markets in the short term because you're not on the markets enough to predict it long term. And that leads me to my second point. I think for a lot of you, if you want to actually make money in Forex, you probably want to start predicting things longer term. You want to become a swing trader. You want to predict things over the course of the next coming weeks or the next coming months. To give you an example, maybe trying to take advantage of the US dollar Japanese yen carry trade or something of that nature. We've seen a trending market in those two currency pairs for quite some time. And if you're able to fundamentally pick up on that, you could buy and hold that for months at a time and be okay. And I think that's the part that causes people to lose money in Forex is if I buy a stock, I expect to hold it for years to come. If I sell a cash secured put, I have a 45-day expiration. If I buy Bitcoin, I expect to hold it for years to come. But in Forex, because of the way that we are necessarily brought up, or we look at Instagram or YouTube, what we do is we think we need to be in and out of the market extremely quickly. And that causes us actually to lose money long term. But now I want to talk about the other side of the coin, because I think this is going to be the boldest statement that I've ever said on my YouTube channel. And for some of you, you're going to be shocked by this. I think the majority of you should quit trading Forex. Yes, you heard that right. I told you, I think the majority of you should quit trading Forex, and I want to share why. I've been teaching people how to trade Forex since 2016. I've been trading Forex since 2014. That's 12 years and 10 years of teaching. And throughout that process, I can honestly tell you, over the 8 years that I taught Forex all in, 50% of people made some money, 50% of people didn't make any money. And when I look at that, I taught all of them the same thing. They got the same course material, the same videos, the same handbook, the same calls, the same me. Yet I changed something just a couple of years ago, and I started taking the same principles that I taught in Forex and moved it over to cash secured puts. I moved it over to selling options. And you know what happened when I did that? I started receiving testimonials without asking for them. I started receiving phone calls thanking me. I started receiving people from Australia, New Zealand, Canada, the United States saying, Patrick, I cannot believe how well I'm doing trading options. And this is my hope for you, is that if you've been trading Forex for years and you've been lying to yourself, and you've been telling yourself that I'm making money when in reality, you're not. This is my hope for you. You look into options. I think that every single person right here, right now, should look into trading options, because the reason options works for so many people as compared to Forex is one reason only. It creates a scenario where you're not allowed to use margin, you have a dedicated expiration date, you have a dedicated price, and you're not allowed to move it. See, once I sell a contract in the options markets, I'm under contract. It's like buying a house and I'm under contract on it. I can't just randomly pull out without reason. In the same case, its options is the same way. When I'm under contract, when I sell a put contract or sell a call contract, I cannot get out of this. I'm not able to. But in Forex, I could buy and then self-sabotage. I could buy something with a stop loss and a take profit, and then suddenly it's not going my way, and I get rid of my stop loss just to let the loser run. And then suddenly I buy something and I say, well, you can't go broke taking profit, which by the way is the biggest fallacy in the market, and I actually don't even let it hit take profit and I get out early. I see all of these things as the reasons why people do not make money trading Forex. And listen, I'm not here to say that you shouldn't trade Forex. I'm here to tell you that you should look at other options if you've been lying to yourself for this long about making money in Forex. Because the last thing I want to tell you is this, and this is going to be the hardest hitting point. All of those people that you see on YouTube talking about the Forex lifestyle, you know who they are. They've got Bugattis, they fly in the private jets, they've got the Lamborghinis, they have the big houses, all this sort of stuff. They've never made the money in Forex. In fact, I would poise to tell you that if I were to tell you guys right now to go to these people and wager a bet in an escrow account, you'll put up 10 grand, 20 grand, 50 grand, 100 grand for them to provide you with a 5-year track record in a regulated broker. Heck, let's not even talk about 5 years, 2-year track record in a regulated broker to show you that they actually made money in Forex. I would wager that none of them would be able to do it. You know why? Because they're not making money through a regulated broker. They're making money from the broker. They're making money from an unregulated broker that either A, they're an affiliate of, that they have an affiliate link for, and they get paid every single lot that is traded. That's why it's in their best interest to get you to trade a lot of times. This happens all the time when you see these free communities. They say, hey, you don't need to pay me to teach you. Join my free community. And when you join their free community, guess what happens? They give you signals, and they're giving you constant setups. And the reason this is so important is because they're basically churning your account. They're getting paid every single time these setups are coming out. Imagine every single time you enter a trade, they get paid a little bit. That's why it's in their best interest to get you to trade a bunch of times. It's not in their best interest to get you to make money or lose money. They just want you to take a bunch of trades. Or the second reason, they actually own the broker. There's a couple people right now on YouTube that own major brokers. Brokers that some of you guys probably got sucked into using. And they are pocketing money. I mean, we're talking millions of dollars every single time people like you lose money. Literally, they are siphoning money from your bank account directly to theirs to fund their next trip to Aspen. And it's sort of ironic because I'm in Park City that I just said that. But the point is, these are the type of things that I want you guys to look out for, and I want you guys to start to branch out and look into other markets. In fact, down below in the description, if you want to learn more about options, if you click the link below, wheelmethod.com, that's wheelmethod.com. If you go over there and click on that, you can register for my upcoming webinar where I'll teach you exactly what I do and sell options. Now, it's a free training, but at the end you'll have an opportunity to purchase and join my community, so I'll tell you that up front so there's nothing hidden here. But that exact webinar is going to teach you exactly what I mean by selling option contracts, basically creating a virtual insurance business where we are selling insurance policies to buyers of our contracts, and we're getting paid premiums to do so, and we have win rates north of 80% in doing that. This is something that I think a lot of you guys should look into. So if this video brought you any sort of value, please comment below what your biggest takeaway was. Of course, as always, I appreciate a subscribe button because 80% of you watch my videos but don't subscribe, and we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers very soon. And last but not least, of course, leave a like, and I'll see you on the next video.